Welcome to this luxury family home. Okay, I know. From how it looks and how we're uploading it on YouTube, you're probably thinking, how did they get this done so quick? But essentially, we've just had so much going on at the moment. We've had the team over deep in South London, working on this luxury home project, while we've had some of the others on my HMO project. So I actually haven't had time to come down here and see what's going on. Well, I've been having time to come down and see, but actually create some good content for you guys to follow this journey. So there is a bit of a time gap in between the whole process, but this house is actually now complete. It's been complete for the last 3-4 weeks, like a month now, but I finally had time to come down to show you guys the final reveal of this home. And this is something that I'm so proud of. So it's a bit unfortunate that I couldn't follow you guys through the whole journey from the beginning and all the middle part and what's going on, because this is really exciting and I'm just can't wait to show you guys around. But as you can see, taking a spin into this is the double open plan luxury front living space. And as you can see, you've got all the spotlights going through, so there's lots of light. The weather's not too great, so I don't want to open the blinds up, but these blinds, we managed to save these blinds, but these give them lots and lots of natural light to make it feel really airy and spacious. And if you look back as well, you'll see that the theme, there's a lot of similarities between the themes and the colors that we use between my project, this family home project, and Aaron's project, which was also the luxury flat in Southwest London. And again, as I was talking about, it's the earthy colors, the natural neutral colors, the greens, and with the browns, the beiges, and the earthy tones, which is really good and really in style at the moment. So heading on to here, I know everyone's going to be asking me where everything's from, but don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything as I go along, where we got it from. So spotlights all throughout. I'm going to start off with these sockets, white sockets with gold accents, and those are from TLC Electrics. So for those of you that are watching, TLC Electrics, and I believe they're around like £10 for a socket, which is very expensive, and hence why we're calling this luxury, because this refurb was not cheap, but it's definitely going to serve the purpose of the end users where we are and the type of demographics around this. This is the types of things that they're looking for. They're looking for a luxury home, something that they're comfortable in, that they can be here for a long period of time. So we're looking at tenants for 2 to 3 years. So the color of the walls is actually Egyptian cotton. This is a color that I've used before and I loved. It's not too dark, it's not too bright, it just does the job, and it really complements the flooring. Again, the flooring is from Homebase. So this was flooring from Homebase. So I did this in the 1 to 2 bedroom project, and we got this flooring from Homebase, and I said we definitely have to use it again. It's like the Chevron style and Howden's, but it's Homebase, and it was 2-for-1 deal, and we was able to get a good deal on just getting it throughout the whole property, which is nice. It's got the herringbone pattern type of thing. But these are laminate planks, but literally look really seamless. Again, able to keep this fireplace and just paint it up and just make it look nice and homey again. I feel like just even keeping little things like that just makes it really homey. As we look here into the garden, you can see there's a massive garden. You wouldn't have been able to see that before because of the amount of trees and things that were there before, but yeah, we managed to get that all sorted, which is really good. And that, even clearing gardens itself is actually a very big expense. But yeah, we managed to get through it all here. But yeah, I love this space. That area there is probably going to be used as a dining area, and this is probably going to be used as a seated area. But again, it's up to the end user's discretion, because would I put a sofa here? Because bearing in mind, you've got the fireplace in here, you might prefer to put your seating area in that bit, and then just keep this as your dining table area. But then again, I guess it's better to have your dining table there. When you're eating, you've still got a view of the garden. But yeah, let me know how you would use this space, because I feel like it's so big and there's just so many different uses and purposes that you can have with this. I'm personally not too sure how I would split it up. I think naturally coming in, you have your seating area first and then you've got your dining area at the back. But again, just because of the fireplace, I think I might sway towards having some sort of sofa seating area there. and then like having my TV. Like, look, actually, bearing in mind we've got sockets here, I'm guessing, and the internet coming here, I'm guessing there was some sort of TV situation here. But yeah, I would probably, I don't know what I'll do, but I love it here anyway. So heading into the kitchen. So this is where all the detail starts to come out to shine. If you look here, again, luxury, luxury, luxury. We've gone for this onyx tiles, and these are literally a meter by 600, so they are massive. So trust me, these are not cheap. These are not cheap, but I definitely feel like it really, really brings up like the kitchen. We hadn't actually planned to use this as the backsplash, but I feel like we was going for it and we thought, let's get an upstand, but then we thought, let's get tiles. Wasn't sure whether to just go for the metro tiles that I do like to go for as backsplashes. And we just said, you know what? We had these tiles already here. We put up against the kitchen and we said, wow, these really do look good together. So we went for it. So in this kitchen, we've got the gold profiles, which I've never done before and I loved. So if you can see, these are all the gold profiles. And I wish I could tell you what color this kitchen is. I can't remember. I cannot remember. But this kitchen was from Howden's. This was another Howden's kitchen with the gold profiles. And the thing is with this kitchen, it's not the biggest of kitchens. But then again, I feel like the way we've wrapped the whole units around doesn't make it feel so small. There's like lots and lots of cupboard space. Considering it's going to be a family home, you're going to want lots of cupboard space for like all the perishes and all that stuff. So everything is fully integrated. And we went for the handleless. Range because initially we was going to get handles and get like the gold bars, but considering the space of it, we thought if we get the gold bars, small space, it might just look a bit like there's too much going on. So we wanted to look as like simple, as clean as possible in here, hence why we decided not to go for it. And I'm really proud of the finishing. Like even the color of the units, yeah, that just looks amazing. Just looks so good. And of course, what would it be without a nice fancy tap? So this tap extends. So, you know, when you're trying to do the dishes, you got this. You've got all the nice settings there that you can play with and have that view into the garden. And now you can see how big the garden really is. And there's a little, even like a shed storage bit at the back, which is also quite exciting inside. Here, this space here, we've left it because we wasn't too sure whether it was going to be for sale or for rent at the time. So we can put a fridge freezer in this corner. Or again, the fridge freezer, if anything was to change, could also fit nicely into this corner as well. And then in here is just the storage space. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Really love the kitchen. The gold profiles again. And we have to look at the tiles. These tiles, I'm not going to go too much into it because the actual theme of this kitchen follows throughout into the bathroom, which I do like that. I do think that it has sort of the theme of the bathroom and the kitchen should sort of have some sort of consistency. I feel like the theme of the kitchen and the bathroom should have some sort of consistency. But let's head upstairs into here. We chose for the carpet on the stairs, which is nice. Right. This room, initially the smallest room, which we opened up a bit here, and it is already feeling a lot bigger. Like, it is already feeling a lot bigger, and especially when you put in all the flooring and the lights, having a nice bright light makes it feel, you know, that little more spacious. And again, multi-purpose room, wardrobe, office space, spare room. You can put a single bed across here, a little couch here as well, which is really nice. So yeah, there's not much to this room, but it's again, we went for these lights. These are the lights that you guys know that I do like on this channel. I wouldn't be Ethan if I didn't suggest it to the client. I recommended this to the client. Allows, you got the remote control that you get for it. These are from Mano, and they're like 60, 80 pounds. So you can control the dimness and the brightness of it. Now, heading into this bedroom, which is the second master bedroom, whatever you want to call it, second double room, which is really good again, spacious, Bed plan for this, it isn't concrete, so usually I would have the set layout of where I want to put the bed, put this, put here, but considering the type of project it was, I just made sure that there was at least 3 sockets in here. You can position your bed in few locations. You can put it against that wall, you can have it in this corner, you can have it there. So you can really use it as different things. And again, got these blinds, able to save the blinds, and some of these will come out the thing, but that can easily be fixed. But as you can see, it's just really, really nice. And just carried on the same theme throughout, same color, all of that consistency. Now, okay, I would definitely call this the master bedroom, mainly because we made these built-in wardrobes again for the client, which is really nice. So originally there was built-in wardrobes which we ripped out, and it was going all the way across, but we decided to increase the space here. So we made this space in here, so there's a recess here, so that they have got the option to put like a dresser here or a desk here, and then you can put your mount a TV up there as well, and then have the bed here. So it just opened up the options. So this, yeah, definitely the master bedroom. How can I not call this the master bedroom, with the view into the garden as well? Yeah, this is really feeling nice and airy as well. Like, this room's actually massive. I'm not even sure if he's able to get it on the camera, but this room is actually big. It's really big, it's really spacious, and it's already got your cupboards in here. So whether there's a new family that want to come in here to rent it out, or someone that wanted to buy it, they can like literally move in and just hang up their stuff, which is really good. Now, guys, brace yourself for my favorite part of this project, which it has to be the bathroom. It has to be the bathroom. And if you're talking about luxury and your bathroom's not saying a lot, but you know, let me not do much talking, and you guys can see what is going on in here. Like, oh wow, I feel like I'm in a hotel in central London or in Dubai right now. It's actually amazing. So, few things in this bathroom. Let me start off with this bit here. This gorgeous bowl sink with the brush brass taps and the onyx tiles splashback as well, which absolutely look amazing. But this splashback actually got added in right at the end, so we didn't actually have a full-on backsplash here, but then we realized that there was a bit of like water splashes onto the wall, so we decided to add this here just to make sure that this wall does not get damaged. You've got the Bluetooth. This mirror does everything. There's nothing this mirror cannot do. This mirror literally does everything. But again, what I was talking about is the earthy colors. Is the reed green with this light oak woodwork top as well, and the fluted panel here. The fact that all of this is even floating just amazes me, just makes me feel so happy, and so much consistency with it. So we was going to go for a freestanding bath initially, but we ended up opting for this because there was just other problems around it, and this still looks very much sleek as well. So you've got the bath here, and then we've got the toilet here, and the type of toilet we chose, we made sure that it went all the way against the wall, because guys, it's time to stop seeing piping. Like, we don't like seeing pipes anymore because it just does my head in. So this looks a lot cleaner, a lot sleeker, a lot smoother as well. And again, when I'm talking about consistency, these are the tiles that we was talking about. So these are actually tiles, but they look like flooring, which I really think is really cool. So they came in slats. I'm not too sure where that we got them from, but I can't remember. But again, let me tell you where we got some things from. Victoria Plumbing. I think this was heatingandplumbing.com or something, but a lot of this was Victoria Plumbing. I believe this is Victoria Plumbing again. Bath, a lot of this was Victoria Plumbing. So Victoria Plumbing, shout me. I can create nice products to advertise your product range and make them look amazing. And again, this is Victoria Plumbing as well. Oh, it's nice and warm. And this is one of my favorite bits because showers, I love showers, and look how much space is in this shower. There's so much space in the shower. This is not your typical like shower rooms where, you know, you're a bit cramped up. You can probably spread your arms out, get underneath everything. Like, this is literally so nice, so nice. in here. I think the size of this shower, I wish I can tell you, but this is at least a meter wide. It's at least a meter wide, and you can see how high it is as well. So yeah, this looks absolutely amazing. Amazing bathroom, like amazing bathroom. There's so much space in here as well, so it definitely suits like a family, young couple, so many different types of end users that we did have in mind. So I think it definitely serves all its purposes. And even with the gold trimming, like even like our little gold trimming here, like it's the detail and everything, and there's so much thought gone into absolutely everything. And when you come to projects like this is what gets me really excited, because you're literally thinking about the state that it was in before and what you've transformed it into, and like the type of people that are now going to come and enjoy a product like this. Like they just know that there's so much been thought. Everything was carefully thought out. Like the fact that we even added this backsplash here, it wasn't there before. We started seeing watermarks appear on the wall, and we said, okay, cool, let's protect this wall. Let's put another tile there. Let's put another onyx tile there and make it look absolutely amazing, because we don't want to cut corners, and we want to make sure that in 5-10 years time, we can come back here and it looks brand new again. And again, what we was contemplating was the color of the windows as well, because we had this brown color throughout the whole property. We was like in the initial consultation stages and discussing, was considering spray painting it, but because of the colors that we've gone through, I do think it really works and it complements the other neutral earthy color tones for the whole project. So let's head back downstairs and wrap it all up. This is a family home, luxury home, deep in South London. This one makes me very excited because it's quite special, because you know you're creating something for someone that's gonna come in here and just absolutely love it, which gets me really excited. But I'm happy I was able to show you guys, and you guys are lucky because you didn't have to wait too long to be able to see everything. Usually, I'm a binge watcher, so essentially when I see something coming out, I like to be able to know that I can see everything at once. So if you just joined now and this is the first video of mine that you're watching, head over to the last 2 videos where you'll be able to see the before state, the whole rip out state, and some of the stages of this whole property. But now you can see the end product and what we are about. And this is my team. We've been able to put this together. So get in contact if you'd like some help around doing projects like this. And again, I'm wrapping it up now. Remember, Key Advantage Group, if you want to get involved in projects like this, the HMOs, the flat conversions, everything, the link below, and we'll book a consultation call and we'll see how we can help you. But for now, I'll catch you at my next site, next project, and I'll see you guys on another video. Take care.